Purposeful Nudge introduces architecting choice to drive adoption and shape behavior.
This video explores architectures for deliberative choice, focusing on engineering cognitive empowerment in field services. We will leverage choice architecture and the Field Services Rewired framework to build human-centered AI systems. This is a blueprint for transformation, moving from reactive compliance to proactive cognitive empowerment. We face the frontline paradox, automating fiction. AI adoption often fails because it's built for a clean, linear reality. Under stress at the moment of work, technicians bypass fragile technology and revert to trusted human behaviors. The behavioral foundation lies in System 1 versus System 2 thinking. System 1 is fast and heuristic. System 2 is slow, calculative, and deliberate. AI interfaces that are complex or unintuitive under pressure are often rejected by the technician's System 1 to conserve cognitive bandwidth. System 1 nudges alter behavior through defaults and friction, offering high compliance but eclipsing autonomy. System 2 nudges are educative, strengthening judgment with data and reflection, building long-term behavior change and agency. The autonomy imperative shows why technicians reject black box A1. People prefer System 2 nudges because they preserve dignity and agency. Technicians will only adopt AI that acts as a transparent, educative partner, not a dictator. The Field Services Rewired framework treats AI adoption as a behavior under pressure challenge, not just an IT deployment. It includes 5 steps: ground truth diagnostic, process debt purge, cognitive load engineering, the AI trust loop, and the experience cascade. Designing for the moment of work is key. This is where a worker must make a decision under real-world conditions. AI that introduces friction or ambiguity is abandoned for shadow workflows. We must engineer cognitive relief to protect judgment from pressure and process debt. Phases 1 and 2 involve ground truth and the kill the form rule. We must acknowledge undocumented workarounds and build with this informal intelligence. Eliminating redundant approvals and forms that only serve back-end compliance frees up mental bandwidth for technicians to engage System 2 thinking. Engineering purpose uses the Service Standard Ladder, or SSL. It has 3 rungs: principle, the why; observable behavior, the how; and consistency trigger, the when. This embeds System 2 nudges into the workflow. Cognitive load engineering employs the 2-minute rule. All AI interactions must require minimal input, function one-handed, and complete in under 120 seconds. This shifts from forcing technicians to hunt for data to surfacing contextual guidance via agentic nudges for System 2 empowerment. The neuroscience of trust is defined by the SCARF model: status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. Digital-only automation can violate SCARF. I must augment these human connections, not replace them. To maintain emotional stabilization, engineering the AI trust loop is vital, as AI doesn't build trust automatically. Human physical validation does. This loop involves an AI suggestion, human validation, improved outcome, and trust reinforcement. When the loop breaks, the technician reverts to shadow workflows. We must shift from service-level agreements, which focus on machine metrics and can suffer from the watermelon effect, to experience-level agreements. XLAs focus on human outcomes like customer effort score and SCARF alignment, proactively measuring emotional reality to boost retention and loyalty. The ecosystem of cognitive empowerment is a unified, closed-loop choice architecture. It progresses from purpose-injected via SSL to cognitive relief with an agentic nudge, validation through the trust loop, human delivery using SCARF, and finally, measurement via an XLA. This transforms technicians into confidence architects. AI does not transform operations. Well-designed, behaviorally aligned workflows do. In a complex era, we stabilize experiences, not just repair systems. The fusion of predictive AI, cognitive choice architecture, and emotional intelligence defines the next industrial advantage. Engineer accordingly. The user's memory is not of the fix, it's of the feeling.
For more insights, subscribe to Purposeful Nudge and start rewiring your field services organization today.